that is because the quantum of that material used by people, and small in size, maybe 2 square inches or something, and then consume the product inside and litter it away. So these things have brought a bad name to the plastic material, and everyone seems to be gunning for the material. Now, as policymakers and as users of the material and as an industry, it really becomes necessary for us to look at solutions to this issue. And globally we have seen, and the team from CIPET and from the ministry and other stakeholders from FICCI, etc., have also been visiting various recycling facilities in the world. We have in the second session of this conference some eminent speakers who have been looking at this problem in very great scientific detail, and I'm sure you will understand from them what are the options available. But at the moment, what really bothers us is that the issue, what is it really? So to identify the different issues in the management of plastic waste, what comes about is primarily that lack of awareness among the citizens on how to dispose of the material. The habit of littering, the lack of civic sense in that sense of putting every consumable at home, including your kitchen waste, in a plastic bag and throwing it, and then that becomes a difficult job for the municipal solid waste management handlers to treat that waste, whether it is to be treated as organic waste because the content of that bag is organic, or to look at it as a plastic waste because the material that it is contained in is plastics. So therefore there are issues in respect of treatment of waste at source, treatment of waste in households, treatment of waste, handling of waste, in commercial establishments like malls and hotels and hospitals and wherever there are large concentrations of population, how to handle the segregation of plastics at source, whether to handle that segregation of plastics at source, and in what form is it to be transported, and in how and in what technological manner is this to be treated so that the burden on the environment is reduced. Fact of the matter is that as compared to any other packaging material or any other material used in the manufacture of goods, actually on a life cycle analysis basis, if you see, the carbon footprint of the plastic material is much less than, say for example, glass or even paper bags. Initially, if you go back 20 years or 25 years, it used to be all paper bags that we carried from our grocery stores. But there was such a huge burden on the forests and the rapid deforestation which was happening and the consequential degradation of the environment, which forced the scientific community and to bring out newer products. And one of the products that came out was really plastics. And so today, if we see that plastics is causing some kind of damage, we cannot go back to materials that we shunned in the first place to move towards plastics.